Hello, hi. Yeah, it's me. Been a while, but we're not going to talk about it because I don't want to take up too much time today. I am in my scrubs. I am getting ready to go to school, so I look awful. But to get this up today, because I was actually able to get the giant Jeffree Star mystery box. I'm so excited. It's been a while since I've been able to treat myself to anything from Jeffree Star, so I am excited, and so I had to film a video about it. I have not opened it yet, so I wanted to get it all on camera, hopefully edited, hopefully uploaded, because I have like 2 videos I had already filmed, and they're just like in editing limbo because I never have time to edit since starting school. But hopefully those will come to you soon as well. And yes, I have red hair now. That's a story for another day. Let's jump into it. So I got my handy dandy pocket knife. Shout out to my dad for getting me that. This is also super exciting because my birthday is tomorrow. So, oh my gosh. Okay. So, black tissue paper. I see something neon in here. Oh my god. It's the tracksuit. It's the neon tracksuit. Oh my god. Okay, there's a lot going on in here. Okay. Let's talk about the tracksuit. I got a size small. I wonder if I should have got medium now. Sorry, that's really loud. I wonder if I should have got medium. Oh no, that'll work. Yay! That is hella neon. Now, the only thing I'm worried about, sorry, so much plastic, is the pants, because a girl got hips. I think those will stretch enough for my hips. Oh yeah, they're very stretchy. I'm gonna try these on real quick. This is seriously nothing I would ever pick for myself in this color, but it is super comfy, super bright. Maybe I could like wear it at night if I walk the dogs or something. It's a little snug on the hip area. Normally in unisex I am a small for like a well-fitting t-shirt. For a tracksuit I might be more of a medium. But I didn't know I'd be getting one of these, but this is super exciting. Woo! Oh, okay, so this is the Halloween exclusive lipstick. Ooh, there we go. In Zombie Kiss. So it's beautiful. It's like a metallic purple. It's got like orange flecks of glitter in it. I don't know if that's reading on camera. Tiny orange flecks of glitter and purple glitter. Oh my god, so pretty. I'll give her a little swatcheroo. Hopefully my camera is focused. How's that reading? My god, so pretty. Alright, next we have a regular lipstick in Yummy. I don't get these too often. I'm more of a liquid lip kind of person. Ooh. I love this neon. Oh, okay. So I can't remember what collection this is from, but this looks like one of the like lip toppers for summer. Oh yeah, super pretty. Let's see if I can show it at all. I have really bad lighting in here. That's okay. Also smells freaking delicious. There is also a cucumber mint lip scrub in there. Super cute. A lot of this, I don't have like any of this stuff. I mean, it has been a while since I've bought anything, but I also didn't get anything from like this collection. I don't think the summer collection. Ooh, we got a big one. Oh my gosh. Okay. I did get the Jawbreaker palette. I do remember now, but I did not get the Mini Breaker palette. Oh my gosh. Ooh, Mini Breaker. My gosh. I might, since I have the Jawbreaker palette already, I might give this to my sister for Christmas. Maybe. Oh my god, there's so much shit in here, you guys. Okay. We got a straw. We got the orange reusable metal straw, which is awesome. I use these all the time. I have like these like rainbow ones that my sister got me. I love metal straws, so this is going to be awesome. Oh my god, okay. Caramel Kiss Supreme Frost. Is this the like green one? Or no, okay. That was a different one. Well, that was Candy Apple, I think. This one is super pretty. Oh my god. Hello. This would have been really good during... Don't focus on me, focus on the highlighter. I look ugly, this is pretty. This definitely would have been good during summer because I am pale. This would be good for like bronzing, I think. Super cute. I don't have any of the lip liners either. This is how, guys, this is how far gone I have been for a while. Oh my god, I need to get back into makeup. I mean, look at me. Oh, lip liner in Scorpio. I have that lipstick. Oh my god, I've never seen. So cool. Oh my gosh. I'm just observing. I have not seen these in person. That is so exciting. And we got another liquid lipstick in, Venus Flytrap. Now, me and Venus Flytrap, we have fond memories. Because, yes, so that was my first video I did where I used the like 6 ways to use Venus Flytrap. There's, it's like, wow, shameless promo, but like this video did so well. It was one of my first videos that went like super well, and I was so excited about it. It got a lot of views. I was really happy, and I just really liked the way that video turned out, so I will put that in the corner for y'all to check out. But Venus Flytrap, I'm really excited. We have great memories together. Oh my god, there's so much shit. Oh my god. Okay. Oh my god. Look at all of the minis. Holy crap. All of these minis. That is so exciting. I like don't even know what to say. Like I realize what the price was that I paid, but it's like this is just crazy to me. And I don't have any of the minis, and I definitely don't have like half of these shades. So that is like so exciting. We actually have Prom Night, the vinyl in the star shape. Oh my god, that is so cool. It's black and orange. And this is also really cool. My mom actually does have my mom and dad have like a record player that you can like record it and like upload it to your iPod and stuff too. So this is like super cool. Oh my god. Come so far, Jeffree. Oh, this must be the mirror. Oh my god, it's taking forever fucking ever. Hello, focus on me, Jesus. The lighting's probably horrible. I'm so sorry. Ooh, there she is. This is my first mirror. Ooh. Say hi. Oh, I look awful. Oh, I love this. This is like really the perfect size too. Like this is awesome. Bam. Yay, my first mirror. Wow, we got like a lot of firsts for me. This is really exciting. That was like so worth the money. There's a lot here. There's a lot here. Okay. Let me unbuckle real quick. Talk about my favorites here. So honestly, I am probably going to use everything here. I am thinking about, I mean, I already have the Jawbreaker palette. I am thinking about gifting this mini breaker to my sister. Maybe even the lipsticks too. We'll see. I might give her like half of those and half for me. Maybe even the highlighter. I don't know. Like, the thing about these mystery boxes, and I think last time I got a mystery box, I ended up doing the same thing where it's like I took what I know I was going to use, and then like it was right around Christmas time too. It was like I was giving Christmas gifts to my mom and my sister too of his stuff. So it's like, I don't know. I think it makes a good opportunity to give gifts too, because it's a mystery box. You know, you're not going to use like everything in it. I mean, you'd be naive to think that you're going to love everything in it. And like for me, like the tracksuit, like it's neon. Like, it's Jeffree. I love it. Like, it's super comfy. I would probably only ever wear it around the house, which is totally fine. It's not something I would have picked for myself. Usually, like, I think it would have been really cool if it was, like, in black or something that is more wearable for everybody. But, that being said, I know it is Jeffree, and I love it regardless. And honestly, it's super comfy and stretchy, and, like, the more I sit in it, the more I love it. So, it's not even a complaint. And honestly, like, I'm gonna use everything in here. It's super exciting. And, oh, Zombie Kiss, that lipstick, the purple one, hello, I need that for Halloween. The lip topper, man, everything in here. Everything in here is so good, and I'm so excited. I think it was well worth the money. I don't know the retail value of a lot of this stuff, but I know it is well worth the money, honestly. And I got a ton of stuff that, like, is a first for me and that I never would have, like, just gone out of my way and bought for myself. So I love mystery boxes. I think they're so exciting. I think this was super fun. I'm hella looking forward to the Shane and Jeffree collab. Hopefully I will have enough money for it by then. This was exciting. This was almost like a warm-up to get me back into videos and makeup for that collab. I'm so freaking pumped. And I'm sorry, I am, like, I keep gaining subscribers, and, like, I'm active on YouTube. I answer comments. I answer all kinds of stuff, like, but I just haven't been posting videos, and I do feel bad for that. I've just been, like, creatively drained, starting school, not into it as much anymore after that hair video. A lot of y'all were super freaking mean, like, and I know it's not like my subscribers, it's just some randos who posted a ton of mean comments on my overtone video, but that made me not really want to make videos anymore. It's like, I don't know. I turned the comments off. I know you're not supposed to do that, but, like, I'm a regular old person. I don't even have 500 subscribers. Like, I'm a regular old person living my day-to-day. I don't need my notifications blowing up while I'm taking a test at school or at work, like, on my commute. I don't need my phones blowing up, like, oh, you're so stupid for, like, what you did to your hair, and you didn't have to do that. It would have washed out. You didn't have to waste all your money. Well, guess what, y'all? Guess what? Like, this red is also overtone, okay? And, yeah, this is, like, weeks old. It does not wash out. Y'all are stupid, okay? I turned off the comments because I can't handle it, okay? I'm a regular old person. Maybe one day if I'm a big YouTuber, I'll just be like, oh, whatever, there's, like, whatever comments. No, that ain't gonna happen. First of all, I'm not gonna be a big YouTuber. Second of all, everyone's human. If I want to turn off the comments, that's my motherfucking prerogative. Okay, that's enough of a rant today. I love everything in here. I hope y'all enjoyed seeing what was in here with me. Hopefully I'll get back in the swing of things, and I'll see you next time. Bye.